Hey everybody, Sue and April here. We are at the Heritage Village and Museum, Barnegat Historical Society. We stopped at a little thrift store, and the nice people inside told us about this place. This is pretty cool. To most people it just looks like a little building, but this is like a little town type thing. You go back here in the back, you see more little tiny buildings. Of course, you always got to have your outhouse, the butcher shop, this looks like one of them old school hay barns, like a mini version of it. Not sure what this is. Probably a tailor shop or something. Old farm equipment. Pretty neat seeing this. Pretty cool, actually. I mean, the buildings look like old school. They opened it up, it's going to be opened back up next. Their next time opening is, I do believe, November 1st is what the sign said. It's got a little general store, so we're going to definitely have to come back by this place and check this out. Edwards House, criteria 1800. Yeah, due to weather and resultant swampness of the grounds, the museum is closed today. It is next open on November 6th from 1 to 4. Now, for a lot of people that don't know what the pile of rocks are, in the old days, this is how they used to mark off the property lines. And they would go for miles, or acres at least, out into the woods. Hundreds of acres. They would just pile these rocks up going way out into the woods. But in this case it's swamp, but most places it'd be woods. This is the Barber Shop. And these are actual landmarks, like historical landmarks. I don't think can't hardly see inside. Looks like it might be doing some work in there. But this is pretty cool. There's the April. This is pretty neat. To give you an idea, I'm going to go across the street to show you just how big this little town is. Wait for his car to go by. Sorry about the glare from the sun, but this is it. That's the entire little town. That's really cool. So it looks like we're probably going to come back here on November 6th to get a little tour of the place. So stay tuned and stand by. They even have the old school shingle roofs. Nice. Alright, till the next one.